install Kodi on Amazon Fire TV and Amazon Fire TV Stick. And not only that, I'm going to show you how to install Firestarter, which will be easy to launch Kodi from your actual device, and it'll be very easy. So let's get going. Let's do this. First, you want to, guys, go into settings, and then we got to enable a couple of things. So we'll go to system. Okay, right into system here. Make sure your Wi-Fi, you're connected to the network. We are here. Go to developer options. Make sure AD debugging is on, USB debugging is on, and apps from unknown sources is on. Once you turn all those on, you can back out. Let's go all the way back to the search option and type in ES. So go E, go S. We'll put a space, and we'll go Explore. So E, X, and you don't have to type the whole thing in. Select the second option, ES Explore. Click on it, and it'll be a blue icon like this. It'll say ES on it. Click on it. Click the download and install. So it's going to install now ES Explorer. It's a pretty quick process. Shouldn't take that long. It's installing it right now, and this is great. You're going to be able to do a lot of things with that. You don't need a computer or ADB Fire, none of that stuff. This is the easiest way. You guys are going to be watching a ton of TV, live TV, movies, TV shows, everything. This is an awesome setup. You're going to be able to cut your cable bill and remove cable or Netflix. Okay, once you're done that, launch ES Explorer. You just hit open, and it will come up like this. When you launch ES Explorer, it will be in your apps as well. I just opened it right after the install. Expand favorites, and once that is expanded, what you want to do is, it's all the way at the top. See the little arrow, expand it, click add. Okay, click into the path. So the path will be HTTP. So type it in. Here we are, typing it in. And I'll put all the URLs in the description, guys, so don't worry. Pause the video if you need to, if I'm going too fast. I know some of you are new users to Fire TV and Fire Stick, so it's hard to navigate with the remote that comes with it if you don't have a keyboard. I don't have a keyboard too. I'm using the Fire TV remote here. Press next, Kodi.tv. This screen will come up. Give it a name. Call it anything you want. Just call it Kodi. And then I think I already have a source named Kodi, so I'll just put Kodi 7, and I'll hit next. Very straightforward. Make sure you highlight add. It's going to be a darker gray. Hit add. It's going to say bookmark Kodi 7 is created successfully. Scroll down all the way to that bookmark we created and just click on it. Now this is a little bit tough. You have to hit the right key on the little circle or remote, and you have to get into the right side of the pane here where it says Kodi. And as you can see, there's a yellow box when I highlight things. So just keep clicking until you get into the downloads. Once you get into the downloads, keep clicking. See how the yellow box is highlighting things there? So press up and down, left and right, until you highlight the right thing. What we want to highlight is the arm. There you go. Once you highlight the arm, click the circular button, press it, and nothing will happen. And that's fine. Okay? Now once you press the circular button on the remote Fire Stick or Fire TV, it's fine. It's going into the downloads, but nothing is happening. Scroll all the way back to the left pane, and then go down, and then once you're in that thing down at the below here, hit more, and open in browser. Once you're in that lower bar there, when you hit open in browser, you'll see it that it's installing now, and it's pushing the APK file. We're all good. 58 megabytes, and we're pushing Jarvis, which is the newest, most stable version of Kodi. But when there's a newer version, you'll just download the newer version. It'll be that simple, guys. Very easy to use, very easy to get Kodi on here. Hit open file, and just simply press install. Very easy, straightforward. Scroll down here, press install. Do that, and that's going to install Kodi. And should take a second, and we'll launch Kodi. Should launch, should install. Very easy process. So let's do that. Okay, here we are installing. And guys, this is amazing. You're gonna be able to watch so many new things on here, and we'll also push TV add-ons Fusion on here, which is a nice little build by Fusion, by TV add-ons called Fusion, and we'll be able to, there's Kodi, and they'll be able to watch a ton of free TV. There you go. Hit the power button, exit. Kodi's all good, but now it's kind of hard to launch Kodi. You got to go to apps, and then you got to do all kinds of things. So back to ES File Explorer, and let's go back into it. We're going to add another source. It's the Fire Starter. It's cool for managing your apps, so you don't have a bunch of Fire TV or Fire TV Stick options. You just have basically the main menu Fire Starter with Kodi on there, or any other applications you have. So just, this is very simple, guys. I made it very simple for you. Simply type it bit.ly, so bit.ly. I'm shortening the URL straight to the APK. Okay, do a /. Okay, and type in the following, as you see me typing in here. It's going to be yes fire 1. So let's type that in. Yes fire 1. Okay, press next. Give it a reference, anything you'd like. I'll just call it 3, 4. Next. Press add that bookmark. It's going to say bookmark created successfully. Once done, scroll all the way down and press on 34. And when you press this, nothing will happen. And that's great. It's fine. It's got that web page open. Scroll down until you get to the bottom ribbon there at the bottom. Scroll all the way to the right in the ribbon for more, and then open in browser. And that's going to push Firestarter version 3.23. Hit open file. Downloads very quick. Press install. Boom, bam, you're done. Hit install. Now we're all done. We've set up our Fire TV and Fire Stick, or Fire device. Hit open, and now this will be your main screen every time your Fire TV or Fire Stick boots up. And that's cool because you can easily access Kodi from here, or any other applications you have installed. For example, I have cache streams. I can easily get to it, which is good. So hit on Kodi, guys. We'll get Fusion on here, and we'll be all done with probably the easiest Fire TV and Fire Sticks complete setup, guys, for 2016. This is the setup that you want. It's the most practical setup, the easiest setup that anybody could use, and this is the reason for this video, because I wanted to make the setup as easy as I could. So http:// we add source in Kodi once it pulls up. Follow exactly what I'm doing here, guys. Fusion TV add-ons. So we went fusion.tvaddons.ag, we'll put that in. So we basically in Kodi, we went to System, File Manager, Add Source, and we pressed on the None field, and now we're typing the URL here. So it's fusion.tvaddons.ag. The menu again was Settings, File Manager, Add Source, and then we're putting the URL. Done. Give it a name. This could be anything, guys. It's just a name to reference that. I'll put TV for the sake of time. And done. And when it successfully adds, you'll see it here on the left side. System, guys. Go to Settings. Go to the 7th option called Add-ons. Click OK. Click Install from zip file. Go into the TV folder we created. Click on Start here. And then click on Plugin Video Hub Wizard 1.20 zip. The last one there, guys. Okay. It's going to see a blue little notification. Config Wizard add-on enabled. Click back, and go into Programs right next to System, and go to Program Add-ons, and click Config Wizard, and choose Android for Fire TV and Fire Stick. Choose Android. Hit yes. Now it's going to just rip zoom by, and it's going to install it. It's pretty quick, very simple. And then any other add-ons, things you guys can add, it's very easily. I don't recommend running heavy builds on Fire Sticks. Fire TVs, they could handle it, but you don't need a heavy build. All you need is the add-ons to watch TV. Unless you care about things looking very pretty on Fire Sticks, it's just going to slow you down, and it's going to slow down the whole experience. So I would just recommend this if you're on a Fire Stick. Fire TV, yeah, you can do more intense things. So here we are. Config Wizard is working here in the background, installing this, and you'll see it'll come up. Background will change. We'll come up with a bunch of add-ons. Here we go, and it's all done. If you go to video add-ons, you can watch from here. Free TV, one channel for movies, C Cloud for live TV, Channel Pair live TV. Exodus has a bunch of movies, guys. Search for any movies. I don't want to get into the add-ons, but there is a ton of things here. Phoenix is fully packed with add-ons. The Royal We, guys. Sports Devil for sports. UK Turks. Tons of stuff. Hours and hours of free TV. Now you can cut your cable bill. Cut out, Netflix. Cut out whatever you guys are paying for. This is completely free TV. This is a tutorial for everybody with a Fire device. Hope you guys enjoy my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.